Good evening. To our distinguished guests, friends, relatives, and fellow guardians, good evening. Tonight, we'll be celebrating the most awaited recognition of our PDGII, Philippine Democratic Guardians International Incorporated, Ancona Scorpion Chapter. And tonight, we, the Guardians in Ancona Scorpion Chapter, will be promoted from AMG Magic Group to RMG, Ranking Magic Group. It will surely be a difficult but a meaningful task to be chosen as a chairman of Ancona Scorpion Chapter. I am very thankful to the PDGII national officers, General Nestorio SGF Tiger Gualberto, and Police Superintendent Ferdinand SGF Condor Vero, our National Chairman, President, and to the rest national officers, and also to Founders Council, Italy, Europe. And also to our guest speaker, Mr. Alex Mendoza, overall chairman, PDGII consultant. Good evening, sir. And also especially to our beloved PDGII organizer and overall founder, Italy Scorpion Chapter, is no other than Norberto MF Scorpion Pabros. And to all representative chapters of Italy, Europe. And to my fellow guardians in Ancona Scorpion Chapter, I will always remember the trust you've given me. Rest assured, we'll do all the best. I tend to improve and to be of the best service to our fellow guardians. Again, thank you and good evening.
Maraming salamat, Chairman, for the wonderful speech. Ngayon naman, ang susunod natin na magsasalita ay ang haligi ng Ancona